Hi, welcome to HardReset. In front of me Infinix Smart 6 HD, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up and how to use Newbie Share on this device. Firstly, if you have a VPN application, if you have VPN, you need to delete it or just disable it. Then open Control Panel and enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. Then find okay, know it, man. Okay, find Newbie Share, click and hold on it. Wait a while, click Share more easily. Scroll down and click Agree. Cool. Now you can change your device name, you can change device visibility mode. If you will use hidden mode, you will be hidden. Nobody can see you. If you will use contacts mode, only contacts will see you. And one mode, everyone can see you. Okay, you can change data usage mode. I suggest use data mode and enable Newbie Share. Cool, now we can send and receive data using Newbie Share. And for example, I want to send this image from my Android device to my Infinix device. To do it, I click on Share by Newbie Share and click on my Infinix device. Then click Accept on Infinix device, and cool, as you can see, image was successfully sent. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.